Thank you guys for coming back to Gene Loves Plants. Today is going to be a very quick video. Like always, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, tell a friend, let's grow this family. Now, I have done a ton of videos on mossing, but one of the things I always get asked when I am at work are, first of all, are the plants real? And the moss we use is 100% real. But it's preserved and it loses its color over time. So every now and then we take a glycerin infused mixture with real paint and dyes, and we have to zhuzh up our plants. So as you see, I just go through, I'll take out the old moss, I'll put in some new moss, I'll also reuse some of the old moss, and just kind of rebuild that cage so I can get that nice full shape. And I'll go through and, like you see right now, I dye it so that it looks fresh and new for another season. So that's it, a little zhuzhing up, and we're ready for the new spring season. Thank you guys for tuning in like always, and I'll see you next week. Oh, and thank you, China, for being my cameraman.